Hi everyone, this is Febby from Febz Academy and today we are going to study the vocabulary fraught. First of all, let us see how we can pronounce it. Okay, so we will be seeing how the pronunciation is being done. Okay, so let us write the word fraught. The spelling is Fraught. This is pronounced as F R O T. This is O. Fraught. So let us see the pronunciation. F R O T. F R O T. Fraught. Okay, fraught. Okay. Now let us see the meaning of this word. The meaning means it can mean full of emotional distress or tension. It can mean full of emotional distress or tension. It can also mean a situation or a course of action which is filled with something that is undesirable. For example, let us see the sentence. Marketing any new product is fraught with danger. Fraught with means filled with danger. Okay, filled with so lots of tension, danger. Now, another meaning can be caused or affected by anxiety or stress. For example, there was a fraught silence. The silence was caused by some anxiety or stress. Now, let us see how this word fraught is used in sentences. Book publishers and the technology sector have had a fraught relationship over the past decade. Fraught relationship means undesirable, like a kind of distrust or a kind of tension-filled relationship. This is a move that is fraught with danger. So usually this collocation fraught with is always coming. Fraught is always used with the word fraught with dash, fraught with this, like that, fraught with danger, etc. Now another sentence, their marriage has been fraught with difficulties, means filled with difficulties, filled with lots of tension and distress. The journey was fraught with difficulties, means filled with difficulties. So let us see some of the synonyms of this particular word fraught. Okay, let us see the synonyms of fraught. The synonyms of fraught can mean the synonyms. The synonyms of fraught can be like full of, filled with, anxious, worried, upset, overwrought, distraught, okay, agitated, etc. Now, let us write the collocations. What all are the collocations that are possible with fraught? Collocations. As I told you, the main collocation means the words that are commonly used along with this word fraught. So the major collocation is fraught with. Then we have fraught relationship. Then we have fraught silence. Then there can be emotional fraught. Then we have fraught silence. Yeah, I have a fraught issue. Fraught issue. So the synonyms are full of, filled with, anxious, worried, upset, overwrought. So anywhere there is so much tension, we can say fraught with, like that. Overwrought, distraught, agitated, etc. are the synonyms. And the collocations are fraught with, which is very common. Fraught relationship, fraught silence, fraught issue, emotional fraught, etc. So I hope you understood the synonyms and collocations. And let us see the pronunciation once more. Fraught. Don't say fraught. That is mother tongue influence. Fraught. 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 Okay. Okay, then. Now we will discuss the meaning once again and conclude our today's session. Fraught means filled with distress or tension. Filled with distress or tension, or it is some situation or some course of action which is leading to something undesirable, leading to something that is undesirable. Okay, or it is something that is causing or affecting lots of anxiety and stress. Okay, or it is affected by anxiety or stress. Okay, so I hope you understood this vocabulary of today, fraught. Okay, take care. Bye.